Till tvättstugan till vänster om torpedon.
Inspection. Please leave the forward boiler room by the ladders leading up on the starboard side, not the ladders you used to enter. To reach a winding passageway leading to the ship's company's bathrooms and the forward engine room. Or 51mm of horizontal deck armour. HMS Belfast's after boiler and engine rooms are closed, but this compartment, containing the forward pair of boilers and the forward engine room immediately astern of it, have been restored and are permanently open to visitors. Each boiler consists of 3 drums, grouped around a central brick-lined furnace. You are now standing in HMS Belfast's forward boiler room, the first of 4, and one of these can be seen on the middle platform in the centre of the compartment, with its turbine and gearbox covers lifted for inspection. Making a total of 80,000 in all. Enough to drive HMS Belfast through the water at 32 knots, 36 miles per hour, or 58 kilometres per hour. Each engine pressure unit. Steam from the boilers could be directed to the desired combination of turbines by means of control throttles, rotating the blades, which in turn drove the propeller shafts, gearbox mechanism attached to each engine. Once the steam had passed through the turbines, it was cooled and allowed to collect as water in a large vacuum tank, located beneath the engine, known as the condenser. before being recycled back into the boilers to make more steam. In addition to another steam-driven turbo generator providing... HMS Belfast has 4 propeller shafts, the 2 outer shafts driven by the engines in this compartment, and the 2 inner ones driven by the engines in the after engines mechanism attached to each engine. Once the steam had passed through the turbines, it was cooled and allowed to collect as water in a large vacuum tank located beneath the engine, known as the condenser, before being recycled back into the boilers to make this, located on the port side, which were used to distill seawater for use in the boilers and as a domestic water supply for the ship's company. Please use the nearby ladder to gain access to the common machine shop immediately above this compartment, where you will find another ladder taking you back up to the main number 2 deck, Zone 7, and the end of your tour. Which translated the raw data into a continuous stream of training and elevation instructions for the gun layers in the 4 6-inch turrets. Because it took several seconds for the shells to reach the Belfast's platform deck, amidships, looking into the transmitting station. In the centre of the transmitting station is the Mark VI Admiralty fire control table, the mechanical computer which calculated the gun elevation and training required for HMS Belfast's main armament to engage surface targets accurately. Information about a target's range, speed and bearing relative to HMS Belfast's own position was received from either or both of the ship's main armament director control towers, or from the
Half ahead both engines. Revolutions 124. Steer 290.
Half ahead both engines. Revolutions 124. Steer 290, sir.
Half ahead both engines. Revolutions 124. Steer 290.
Half ahead both engines. Revolutions 124. Steer 290, sir.
Do your duty. God bless you all.
Breach, this is Ops. New radar contact bearing 295, range 17.5 miles.
Alternate French. Roger. Designate this contact Skunk Able, officer of the watch. Send the ship's company to action station. Aye, aye, sir. Action stations! Action stations! Action stations!
Breach, this is Ops. Skunk Able 299, range 12.2, sir.
Reg, this is Plot. Skunk Able's course now 300, speed 24. She's closing fast on the convoy, sir.
Captain, sir. The Admiral has made an enemy report to Admiralty and all ships. Informed Sheffield and Norfolk on a line of bearing 180. Belfast course 250. Speed 24. All positions, this is the captain. We have detected Scharnhorst on our radar, and we're going in to attack.
Silence at the plots.
Captain, sir, this is Director. I can see her. Enemy in sight bearing 222. Estimated range 6 miles.
Skunk Able 350, 5.2, sir. Range is open.
Captain, sir, this is
What am I about? One.
She's
It's in the